Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch with AI. Artificial intelligence tools are revolutionizing the way we create art, turning your basic drawings into stunning, polished pieces. Imagine taking a quick doodle and watching an AI transform it into a photorealistic image, a vibrant painting, or a unique graphic design. This technology leverages powerful algorithms to understand your artistic intent, offering a new dimension to creative expression and significantly accelerating the art-making process. Choosing the right AI tool is crucial for a smooth creative journey. There are numerous platforms available, each with unique strengths. When selecting, prioritize tools that offer an intuitive user interface and a wide array of artistic styles. Popular options like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E provide excellent sketch-to-image capabilities. Look for features such as real-time rendering, which allows for instant feedback, and extensive customization options to truly tailor your artistic vision. The process of transforming your sketch with AI is straightforward. First, create a clear, simple line drawing or doodle. This initial sketch acts as the foundation for the AI. Next, upload your drawing to your selected AI art platform. Then, provide descriptive text prompts to guide the AI on how to interpret and render your sketch. Experiment with various styles and parameters, perhaps trying out 5 different artistic directions to achieve a wide range of unique and captivating results. To get the best possible results from your AI sketches, consider a few key tips. Start with high-contrast sketches. This helps the AI interpret your lines more accurately. Dedicate time to refining your text prompts, making them as specific as possible to guide the AI toward your desired artistic vision. Don't be afraid to iterate. Make small adjustments to your sketch or prompts and regenerate the image. Exploring advanced settings, like adjusting the influence of your sketch versus the prompt, can give you even greater creative control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.